Right, it's Wednesday, September 25th. I'm buying some SPY 576 puts here at 519. This is on the opening price action that it, at a minimum, I think wants to take out the low of the day, and then we'll see if we get some kind of reversal developing. Obviously, first bar went up, second bar was inside, then you had the classic strat signal where it's an inside, two up, two down kind of reversal to then get back to the low end of the broadening formation here. So we'll see if it takes out the lows of the day. What's developing here is you've had a two up day since Monday that had a target up here to that pivot high, and for one day it didn't get there. The next day he tried to get a little momentum hammer bar, couldn't get there. And then today, you're going for the third day in a row on a, kind of a compound fashion to get to his target. It's not getting there. So this is the type of thing where if we can't on the daily chart get to that target and get an eventual two down day, that's a pretty negative signal here for not reaching a target and then wanting to go the other way. Now you can see we're getting to the lows of the day, so we'll see if it kind of breaks through there. We took out the pre-market high, so it's almost like a 3-day failure to kind of reach its target, and we might be reversing. So a lot of things have to happen here. We got to get through the lows of the day. We got to hold down there and then get to the pre-market lows. We got to get now a two-up failure day where we kind of continue lower towards below the midpoint of the prior day. And all that could trigger, a bigger picture move lower on the weekly chart. If I look at it, we had the little all-time highs here. That could be exhaustion risk. You think, it seems like we're trying to stay green and head higher this week. But like I said, it's 3 days in a row now where it's really having a tough time doing it. And then opening price action certainly failed on the first move up. Now, I'm not, again, saying it's going to necessarily fail. I'm going to give it a shot. I think it, should have broken through the lows of the day, given this, inside bar, two up, two down, which I think it just about did. So hopefully that won't, be it, and it kind of consolidates and breaks higher. I'm looking for a little follow through lower, given this opening price action, maybe towards the pre-market, to see if we can pinball towards the pre-market lows and midpoint of the prior day. At that point, we'll really determine if there's a failure, if we can get through this area here in the bigger picture. So, opening price action, not too strong here. So it's just something I'm going to give a shot and see if things could change from this, uptrend that's in place overall, just given these like 4 days in a row that's having a hard time hitting its target. So let's see if that happens. It might not. I'm going to see if this becomes kind of the high of the day. If we just kind of consolidate in here and can't really follow through lower, then, I'll get right out. But hopefully this is the start of a reversal. I mean, certainly possible, but at this point, it's kind of tough to say. You're just going with opening price action, and it has to happen for things to really get negative.